Hi guys, just a quick one. I've been emailed by a student to ask to put up a discussion board for your personal and professional development module. So I was just going to show you where to find this. So under Site Tools, so if you just click that, and then you go to Discussion Board. You click on that. I put assignment support, so you click onto that, and what you've got to do is, that says unsubscribe, but yours will say, sorry, just a sec, it's being slow. So yours will say to subscribe, so you just click subscribe, and that means that every time someone posts something on there, you'll get a notification. So even if you don't put something on there, it's still useful to know what other people put on there. So the subject might be LO1, and then you might put something in there about something that you might put is this okay for this LO, and then whatever it is you want to say there, and then you just click submit, and then myself and Miles will get an email to let us know that somebody's posted on the discussion board, and then we can reply to that post. So Miles is your module leader, so he's the main person, but I've also subscribed as well. So hopefully I can help out with any queries. Okay, thank you.